Exceptional, it's a good hotel to stay. Exceptional, very clean and quiet hotel. I like the staff very much. Very friendly. Nice room, good service. Room was clean and shower had shampoos, and their only issue is bad Wi-Fi connection, but that is an easy fix. Convenience facilities at Nar Palace, a perfect blend of comfort and efficiency at Nar Palace. We understand the importance of convenience during your stay. Our hotel offers a wide range of convenience facilities to ensure that your needs are met with utmost efficiency. From laundry service to room service, we have got you covered. With our laundry service, you can have your clothes cleaned and pressed without any hassle, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip. Our dedicated room service team is available round the clock to cater to all your needs, whether it's a late-night snack or a refreshing beverage. Stay connected with our complimentary Wi-Fi in public areas, perfect for catching up on work or staying in touch with loved ones. For those who prefer to smoke, we have a designated smoking area where you can indulge in your habit without inconveniencing others. In addition, all our rooms are equipped with free Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected even in the comfort of your own space. We also offer dry cleaning services, so you can have your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free throughout your stay. With our express check-in/check-out service, you can save valuable time and start exploring the city as soon as you arrive. For those in need of a quick snack or beverage, our vending machine is conveniently located on-site. Lastly, our dedicated housekeeping team ensures that your room is cleaned and refreshed daily, allowing you to relax and unwind in a clean and comfortable environment. At Nar Palace, we strive to provide you with the utmost convenience, making your stay in Istanbul a truly memorable one. Convenient transport facilities at Nar Palace. At Nar Palace, we understand the importance of convenient transport options for our guests. Whether you are arriving at the Istanbul airport or exploring the vibrant city, we have you covered. Our hotel offers airport transfer services, ensuring a hassle-free journey from the airport to our doorstep. Sit back, relax, and let our professional drivers take care of your transportation needs. For guests who prefer to drive, we provide a spacious and secure car park on site. You can park your vehicle with peace of mind, knowing that it is in a safe and monitored environment. Best of all, our car park is free of charge, allowing you to save on parking fees and make the most of your stay.